inside my head. Tell me, am I worth it? I remember you said, do you even see me? Go find someone else instead. Tell me, am I worth it?
Go! I lost you once. I think I could do it again. If you thought it's what you really wanted.